How to create a community on Reddit. Now in order to create a community on Reddit, simply open the Reddit app and then tap to these three lines from the top left corner. After tapping in there, you will get this option of start a community under discover communities. After tapping in there, you just simply need to select what your community is about. For example, let me select health, and after that tap to next button. After tapping in there, you can set your community type to either public, restricted or private. For example, let me select it to public and then tap to next again. After this, you need to name your community. For example, let's select our healthy people, proper, whatever it is, and after that enter a suitable description for your community. This is a good community to boost your health. Okay, for example, let me set this and then tap to create community. This is how you can very easily create a community on Reddit.